Did you know that a man in the Bible was struck dead by God for pulling out during sex? This is the shocking true story of Onan. When Onan's older brother Er died without having any children, ancient law said Onan had to marry his brother's widow, Tamar. But there was a catch. Any son born from this marriage would be considered Er's heir, not Onan's. Onan agreed to marry Tamar, but he had a secret plan. Every time they were intimate, he would withdraw at the last moment to avoid getting her pregnant. He wanted to enjoy the benefits of marriage without giving his dead brother an heir. God saw what Onan was doing. He wasn't just avoiding pregnancy, he was refusing to fulfill his sacred duty to his family. The punishment was swift and terrible. God struck Onan dead on the spot. This story shocked the ancient world and changed how people viewed family responsibilities forever. It showed that God takes our duties to family seriously, even when no one else is watching. What happened next to Tamar will surprise you even more.